What's up, guys? Welcome back to Addicted to Tinkering. We got another auction win. It's been a minute since I had a win from the auction, but I really been wanting one of these, and there's one more thing coming up in like a month that I'm really after too. But for now, we're gonna stick with this one I just got. I've been wanting one of these since I sold my last one, and I sold it with intent of buying one of these. So what we got was one of the SDLaunch ME20s. So far, I've got like 0.1 hours on it. It's been awesome. We're just changing the fluids in it. And I didn't want to just rush something real quick, but I did want to show you guys. So this has the Yanmar engine in it. The oil filter goes down right there. This is a spot to fill the oil, but there's an oil spot up there too. So it's pretty interesting. Like I said, I'm just kind of putting this out there right now because my son's at Atwood's. I'm trying to find it. He's trying to find an oil filter. He's trying to find the oil filter for it, and I had to take the old one off to get cross-reference part number and see if we can find one. So, so far, it operates a lot smoother than a gas motor, and it seems to be much stronger. But again, I've really done nothing with it, so I don't know for sure. But we are changing all the fluids before we do anything. All we did was drive it off the trailer to right here, and we're changing everything, all the fluids, even the coolant. So once I get that done, I'll get a video of it operating, and I'll walk you through how to change all the fluids. So like I said, that was the oil filters down there. Take off that bolt, and this bolt back here. It'll be right there, and this whole side panel comes off. I took off this bottom plate. I didn't need to, but I need to check everything for tightness, so I went and took it off. But to change the oil, you don't. So like I said, oil filter there, and then the actual drain plug for the oil is just right there. So changing the oil is not going to be difficult. And then in here you'll have your diesel and your fuel, your diesel, and then your hydraulic tank. So we're going to change that too. But believe it or not, the hydraulic fluid doesn't look bad. All right, sorry, I got a phone call. My son called while I was doing this video and shut off the recording. But I also just noticed, I don't know, looks like a hydraulic filter right there. It's running to this block, and then maybe from right over there. That'd be cool if this is a hydraulic filter. I'm gonna put a bigger one on there. It's got some writing on it. It's gonna be upside down for you, but 20 liters a minute. So I don't know. I'm overall so far I've only had one bolt that was on the trailer fall out. I got some other little things from the auction too, but there was one bolt on the trailer. I don't know where it come from. I'll find it, put it in, and we'll bring you guys back whenever we're done with the fluids. Get this oil drained. I don't know why I've already broke this loose, but hey, these Chinese, their oil filters and their oil drains, like, they put them all so dang tight. I'm not gonna lie, out of all the machines I've done so far, these oils are not looking that well. I mean, it's oil. I don't see anything on there. It is oil though. Like, it feels very thin. So we're gonna let this drain, and then I will put some Freshie in it. And hopefully, it's only supposed to hold a couple of quarts, so this shouldn't fill this drain bucket up. So we'll be back. All right, guys, we got the hydraulic fluid draining now using a little 12-volt pump. Runs off the battery. Stick your hose down inside there. Just sucks it out and squirts it out down there, and then we'll dump that in the big oil tank. One thing I'm noticing though is this hydraulic fluid. It's thin. It's running really fast for this pump. Usually this pump takes a minute or two, but I mean, that stuff it's flowing. This stuff's really thin, and it's getting some air in it too, but that's just from the hose. So, but once this is drained, we'll go to the next step. All right, guys, we're back on day 2 of working on the Mini X. I didn't have some of the parts I needed, the filter and stuff like that, and I couldn't continue draining the hydraulic fluid. I had to stop yesterday right after I started because I remembered you want all your booms collapsed when you drain this fluid. That way the most amount of fluid possible is in that tank. If these are all extended, then there's fluid in all those cylinders, and then you know, you're not really getting all the fluid out. So we just started this up again, and the reason I had to wait is because I had to find an oil filter, because I had already pulled the oil filter and drained the oil. So what I found was at Walmart, a Mobile One M108A is the oil filter. It's a little expensive. I'm sure it can cross reference to something else, but that's the one I could find locally. So we got the hydraulic fluid draining, and we got oil back in the machine. We did Fortella 1540. I just filled it here, and then that's the oil filter right there, and then checked it on the dipstick right there. So once this all gets drained and we fill the hydraulics back up, we'll continue. So I'll be back. All right, guys, we got it put back together. Got all the fluids changed. Now we're going to grease all the certs, and we still have a bolt over there that I have not figured out where it goes. So, but I mean, they put some kind of grease on some of these, but I'm gonna grease it all. So these are regular grease certs. These are needle certs. I see a lot of times people asking about these. These are needle certs. You just stick a needle on there. I'm gonna throw my quick connect on there, my quick attach thing, and then yeah, we're gonna use it. So I probably won't get any footage of using it today. I will probably check the track tension as well. But so far, let's see, that's in, that's out. I don't think we need any more hydraulic fluid. It's looking okay. This machine has 0.2 hours on it. So new machine. So far I'm really happy with it. I mean, I haven't really done much, but it runs really smooth, and it operates a lot smoother than I had the QK16R or whatever it was, the gas powered one before this, and it was a cool machine. It did all right. Doug did fine, but this I can already tell is substantially better, and I need to find some counterweight ideas for it too. So let me get it greased, and then I'll dig with it some tomorrow, and maybe I'll record some of that and then provide you some feedback on what I think of the machine. So see you guys later. All right, guys, I've had well, maybe an hour on this machine. Let's see, we are at 1.3 hours now. So we've done just about an hour, because it had 1.2 or it had 0.2 hours when we got it, and it cleared all that fence, which you couldn't see it before, but that had vines all entwined in it. See how zoom over here real quick. See that all that was the fence. It had all those vines growing in it. Man, this thing is a digger. It works good. I'm very impressed with it compared to my last one. I am running with this door open, just trying to keep it a little cooler. I'm going to put a fan over on this side to pull heat out, but yeah, it's way stronger than the, was it QK16R that had the little 13.5 Rado engine. My son's dumping the fence posts in the chain link. It's made a few little creaks and a few little pops yesterday. It did not seem that strong. I think it was getting hot. I did already bend my thumb, so I'll have to bend that back, and I'll probably put another support like across here. But it has made a few pops and like weird noises that made me nervous at first. I thought I broke something, but it seems to be going fine. I might throw one shim in right here to keep this tight and that tight. I don't know how much play is supposed to be in these, but these are significantly tighter than the last machine. There's like no play in them. I greased everything. It seems to be working extremely well. I've had a couple times I thought the track was coming off, but it hasn't happened yet. I am seeing this has moved now, so that's interesting. That means something's moving on this. I bet that bolt, that's where that bolt goes. I bet it's to hold this tank in. So we will take it back apart, move the tank, and put that bolt there now that we have a good idea where it's going to go. But that's definitely moved, so I don't know if you can really see it. This is not it. This was centered. I can fit my whole hand or my whole finger over in here now, so that's moved for sure. So we'll stop and fix that. For the money, and I don't want to ever tell anybody how to spend their money, but for me, I wanted auction $6,200, and then the 18% buyer's premium. What's that? It still puts it like 7,100 or 7,200, something like that. I bought some other stuff with it, so I don't know the exact cost of the machine, but I know the hammer was 6,200. So yeah, it's definitely worth it. So I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I know it's been a minute since I uploaded a video, but I'm not sponsored or anything. Like, I have to buy these machines with my own money, so it takes me a minute to get some money and make a video on one. So hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time.